In this video, I'm just going to create a quick animation using Animate. So what I'm going to do is import my Illustrator files into the library. And you can see here, I need to select all layers. So before I did this, I just did some prep in Illustrator and made sure that my file was in separate layers. Now I'm going to import my asset into the stage. Here I need to right click onto the object, and then I'm going to choose the option that distributes to the layers. You can see down here in the timeline I've only got one object, but what I need to do is actually double click on this object, and you'll see in the timeline 3 new objects. These are the 3 layers that you separated in Illustrator. So what we need to do now is insert some keyframes to start animating this logo. So I'm going to start at frame 10, I'm going to insert a keyframe. You'll notice that I've lost the M and the B. That's because I need to actually add some keyframes to show those, so I'll do that now. So pressing F5 or right click, insert keyframe, and I need to do that for both my letters and all my objects. So at this point you'll see I can actually now see my objects. So what I'm going to do at frame 10, I'm just going to move that black bar just a little bit. Then I'm going to go back to frame 1 and I move to a starting point. So effectively what I've set here is a start and an end point. If I press loop, nothing's going to happen, because what I actually need to do is right click and use classic tween. So not motion 10, you'll see nothing happens, but if you right click again and choose classic tween, you'll see that in the timeline you'll see a little arrow from that first keyframe to frame 10, and you'll see if I scrub through my animation, you see that little animation working. So what I'm going to do now at frame 20 is insert another keyframe, and I'll do that for all my objects. And at this point I'm just going to repeat what I did from frame 1 to 10. So I just need to make sure I select frame 20, then move my animation or my object a little bit. Then I'm going to right click that space. Now I'm going to click on classic tween and I'm going to press play. You'll notice it's not right because I haven't changed my loop section. Now when I press play, you'll see the black bar moving back and forward. So at this stage, this logo animation is complete. It's just got one simple animation that I've added. If you want to do more or expand or just tweak your animation, this is what you can see now on the screen. You can do that. If you have any other questions about moving or rotating or flipping, please ask in the post. Otherwise, that's pretty much it. You can create this little animation in about 3 minutes.